Greetings and welcome to the Georgia Homes for Sale channel. Today, we're going to take an exciting journey into the world of real estate investing. Picture yourself standing at the start of a path that's brimming with potential, ready to take the first steps towards building a thriving real estate portfolio. Let Bob Hale Realty help you today. But where do you begin? What steps do you take to carve out your slice of the real estate market? Well, with more than 20 years of industry experience, Bob Hale Realty is here to provide you with a comprehensive blueprint to navigate this dynamic landscape. Whether you're a budding investor or a seasoned professional looking to expand your knowledge base, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Imagine being a novice again, embarking on your real estate adventure and wondering where to start. It's a common scenario we all grapple with when we first dip our toes into the property market. But fear not, because we're about to equip you with the tools, insights, and strategies you need to secure that elusive first deal and set yourself up for success. We'll delve into the essentials of real estate investing, from understanding market trends to identifying lucrative opportunities, and everything in between. We'll explore the importance of networking with successful investors, gaining insights into their strategies and learning from their experiences. We'll also uncover the secret to knowing your market intimately and how this knowledge can give you a competitive edge. And if that's not enough, we'll also reveal how to find free leads in the current market scenario. In an ever-evolving real estate environment, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve, and we're here to show you how. So, strap in and get ready for a dynamic journey into real estate investing. And remember, if you're eager to master the art of real estate investment in the year 2024, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and explore our additional videos on this subject in the description below. A question I frequently encounter from budding investors is this: if you had to start from scratch, what would you do? Well, if I were to start again, right from the beginning, the first move I'd make is to surround myself with those who've already tasted the sweet success of real estate investing. Learning from those who've walked the walk, who've been there and done that, is an unparalleled advantage. Imagine being able to tap into the decades of experience these seasoned investors have under their belts. Picture having a front row seat to their triumphs and setbacks, their wins and losses. That's the power of surrounding yourself with success. It's like having a roadmap to navigate the often rocky terrain of real estate investment. But this isn't just about networking or making connections. It's about gaining an in-depth understanding of what makes a successful deal, what works and what doesn't. It's about learning to analyze properties, to evaluate potential investments, and to understand the intricacies of the real estate market. When you surround yourself with successful investors, you're not just learning about the technical aspects of real estate. You're also learning about the mindset that leads to success. You're learning about resilience, about tenacity, about the drive to keep going even when the going gets tough. Let's take a moment to think about the wisdom that comes from experience. Think about the countless hours these successful investors have spent honing their craft, the countless deals they've closed, the countless mistakes they've made and learned from. That's the kind of knowledge you can't get from a book or a course. It's the kind of knowledge that comes from lived experience. So if I were to start from scratch, I'd start by seeking out the companies such as Bob Hale Realty, a successful real estate investment company and has helped countless investors. I'd absorb their wisdom, learn from their experiences, and use their insights to guide my own journey. Because in the world of real estate investing, learning from those who've already achieved success is a shortcut to your own triumph. The subsequent step is all about becoming intimately acquainted with your local real estate market. This is a crucial point that cannot be overstated. Real estate, at its core, is an inherently local phenomenon. The definition of what constitutes a great deal can vary tremendously from one market to another, from one city block to the next. Therefore, it is of paramount importance to conduct a thorough study of your specific market, immersing yourself in a sea of knowledge about the local area. Begin by understanding the general trends. Is it a buyer's market or a seller's market? Are property values on an uptrend or downtrend? Knowledge of these broader trends will provide a necessary context for your investment decisions. Next, delve into the specifics. What are the average property prices in your chosen area? How long do properties typically stay on the market? What types of properties are in high demand? Answers to these questions will equip you with a detailed understanding of your chosen market. But don't just stop there. Go a step further and study the micro-trends. Look at different neighborhoods within your chosen market. Understand their unique characteristics and market dynamics. Some neighborhoods might be popular among young families, while others might attract retirees. These subtle differences can significantly impact the value and demand for properties. Don't forget to leverage the power of networking in your study. The successful investors you meet at local gatherings often have a wealth of knowledge about the local market. They can provide invaluable insights into what constitutes a great deal in your area. Finally, become a master of sold comparables. Study recent property sales in your market. Evaluate the selling prices and conditions of these properties. Understand the nuances of market values. This will not only give you a realistic expectation of property values, but also help you identify potential investment opportunities. In conclusion, knowing your market is not just about gathering information. It's about understanding the information, interpreting the data, and using it to make informed investment decisions. This will empower you to discern what characterizes a favorable deal in your location. Now let's delve into the art of discovering real estate opportunities. The search for potential investments is the lifeblood of any real estate venture. Here, we'll explore how to unearth these gems and the importance of generating leads. So buckle up and let's set sail on this treasure hunt. In the fast-paced world of 2023 and 2024, the real estate landscape is ever evolving, and with it, the opportunities for investment. These opportunities, however, aren't always in plain sight. They require a keen eye, a proactive approach, and an understanding of where to look. Contact Bob Hale Realty. We will help you in finding free leads. Is like mining for gold. It's about sifting through the dirt to uncover those nuggets of potential. But where do you start? Well, in this digital age, Bob Hale Realty is your best friend. We have the best platforms to help you find the best on and off market properties that could be your next big break. Our website at bobhale.com are packed with listings, many of which have been on the market for a while and are ripe for the picking. But don't limit yourself to the digital realm. Remember, real estate is a people business, and your network can be a goldmine of opportunities. So reach out to Bob Hale Realty agents. Ask them about listings that have been on the market for some time. They'll often be happy to share this information, especially if they see potential for a sale. Another tactic that's as old as real estate itself is driving for dollars. This involves cruising around neighborhoods you're interested in, keeping an eye out for distressed properties, and let Bob Hale Realty help make contact with the owners. It might seem old school, but it's a strategy that stood the test of time for a reason. Generating leads is a numbers game. The more opportunities you uncover, the higher your chances of striking it rich. It may seem daunting, and it'll certainly require patience, but remember, every no brings you one step closer to a yes, and eventually your tenacity will be rewarded. It's a numbers game, and although it may demand patience, your tenacity will be rewarded. As we wrap up, remember that real estate investing is a journey. It's a path filled with learning, growing, and inevitable challenges. But it's also a path paved with immense potential and rewarding outcomes. We started our discussion today by emphasizing the importance of surrounding yourself with success. Immersing yourself in the world of seasoned real estate investors like Bob Hale Realty can be a game changer. Their experiences, insights, and mentorship can fast-track your journey and provide invaluable lessons that can't be learned elsewhere. Next, we delved into the significance of understanding your local market. Remember, real estate is inherently local. Each market has its unique characteristics, and what constitutes a great deal in one might not be the same in another. Hence, a thorough understanding of your local market is crucial to identifying and seizing favorable deals. Then, we explored the art of finding free leads. In today's digital age, there are numerous platforms to generate leads cost-effectively. From online marketplaces to your personal network, the opportunities are endless. And let's not forget the power of driving for dollars. Spotting distressed properties in your desired neighborhoods could open doors to potential deals. But here's the crux of it all: patience and tenacity. Real estate investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Bob Hale Realty is in it with you. It's a long-term game that requires persistence, determination, and a tenacious spirit. You'll face challenges, encounter roadblocks, and maybe even question your decision at times. But remember, every successful investor has walked this path and faced these same trials. So keep pushing forward. Don't let setbacks deter you. Instead, use them as stepping stones to your success. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. Because success in real estate investing isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. So keep pushing forward, and let's make 2024 the year you kickstart your real estate investment journey.